What's going on, good people? Welcome to EagleEyeFX. And guys, I just also want to share with you some opportunities that I'm seeing on US100, US30, GER30, and USOIL. Alright, so I'm actually on the 1 hour time frame, but you can see that we had this correction over here. The market came all the way and gave us this double top over here. Of course, this was mass psychology playing out. Then you can see this is something from like a what? Like a head and shoulders. Then after that, we had an impulse move. Then we're having our correction over here. So I'm actually seeing massive sells all the way to the downside. And if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that if I extend this one, you can see that we had a touch over here, a touch over here, another touch on over here. Of course, it broke out of these places for mass psychology to play out. Then we had a move to the downside. So I'm actually anticipating a move to the downside for a Nasdaq, right? Come all the way to actually complete this to fill actually this gap that is over here. And it's actually the same thing with US30. You can see that US30 from the 4 hour time frame, we came all the way to this level over here. Then you had an impulse move. Then we're having actually a correction, this level over here. And I'm actually seeing, you can see that this is a very clean and a very beautiful flag that is forming over here. And of course, you can see that it's actually giving us some sort of like a scoop over here. So we are actually, I'm actually seeing this moving all the way to there, moving all the way to the downside to this level over there, which is the same case with GER30. All right, you can see GER30, we had this bigger correction over here. Then of course we broke out, came all the way here to give us our double top. And of course now we are looking for sells, and you can see that here we had a very clean structure with 1, 2, 3 touches. Then we had a breakout. Then the market is trying to retest maybe this level, or it could actually give us a bigger flag over here before we see it committing to the downside. So of course that Nasdaq, GER30 and US30 normally move in the same direction. And the last thing is US oil. You can see also US oil, we are actually on an uptrend. We had a very clean move to the upside. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see we had this quite corrective over here. Then once we got up here, we actually broke out just a little bit like this. All right, then you can see that if you go to lower time frame, you see this is 1, 2 and 3 touches over there. Then you had an impulse move. Of course, this was our first flag. You had an impulse move. Now we are forming our second flag, and I'm actually seeing this continuing, coming all the way to come and complete our 90% rule. So guys, you can add this to your watch list. Of course, with NFP coming on this Friday, there's going to be massive harvesting, massive pips, massive moves. So you want to watch out. You want to add this one to your watch list and take advantage of these moves, and then you will thank me later. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.